This is Newmarket Road roundabout, coming along East Road. Somebody slightly misjudged the junction. This is real time. Somebody wandering over as if it sort of thing that happened there every day there. Oh, the occupants have got out. One of them walks over there. And there was a lay down on the central reservation. And somebody else is coming up, and he's having a fight with the other person who just got out of the car. So it would appear anyway. Oh, do stop flashing your lights, you silly so-and-so. Go on, go around the corner, that's the way. Looks like they're having a bit of a 2 and 8 big fight here. Oh, yes. Oh, scooter man's arrived. Now somebody's got to see if there's anybody else in the car. Wow. Ah, your man over here on the right has finally got up and he's wandering back. He's going to wander back. Here he comes. Here he comes. I think he's said there's another fight going on there. Yep. I don't think they're too happy with the situation. Oh, dearie me. Oh, one of them knocked down. But he got up again. My goodness. Oh, the boys in blue have arrived. They are having a little bit of a contretemps there. I don't think the fact that the police are there has made a lot of difference to the fact that they're having a bit of a Barney. Quite remarkable. Okey doke. Over and out. Oh, here comes another car.